Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll be making a smoothie with soursop, mango and chia seeds. Please, if you find this video useful and helpful, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends and loved ones. Please don't forget to click on the bell icon right beside the subscribe button so you get updated whenever I upload a new video. So soursops are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants known to boost immune system. These vitamins strengthens the immune system, helps to improve the ability to defend pathogen. It also helps promote the destruction of free radicals, which helps to protect your skin and cells from environmental oxidative damage. So the next ingredient is mango. Mango is a nutritious fruit loaded with healthy nutrients that can help support your skin and overall health. Mangoes contains vitamins A and C, which may help prevent premature aging and also protect your skin from sun damage. Next, chia seeds. Chia seeds contains quercetin, an antioxidant that helps reduce the risk of heart diseases. It's rich in fiber and it can also lower blood pressure. So what I did next was to get my soursop and divide it into two. I'll be making use of half, I think one part of it. I will have one part into two, and I will later slice my mango into it. Well, if you want to make use of mango, you can put your mango in the fridge or a freezer and later use your knife to slice it, because it's kind of messy in here. If the mango is blocked or is cold, it will be easy for your knife to slice it down. So I added my soursop bit by bit into the same bowl containing the mango, and I will later transfer it into the blending cup. I added 1 tablespoon of chia seed into the blending cup, and I added just a little water, just a little, so it will be smooth and easy for the blender. This is my old blender. My other blender is 40. After blending your soursop and mango, pour it into a cup and your smoothie is ready. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it with your friends and loved ones. For now, remain blessed.